Good afternoon, everybody. A warm welcome to the Laundrex India Expo. Today, we have Amit Sas, the CEO of IFB, Mr. Govindraj. Warm welcome to you, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Pleasure.
Yeah.
Thank you for being with us today.
It has been a pleasure being here and seeing the good stalls, the arrangements, whatever you have made.
Right. I would just like to know that I've seen a lot of machines here today, and I've also seen new technologies that you have been talking about for the last 2 days. IFB has been evolving. You're coming up with newer concepts. So what is it that is there today which is making a difference?
You are aware that IFB has been in laundry business for the last 30 years. Initially, we started with residential or the domestic machines. Later on, we are coming to commercial machines also. IFB's board has been always been very particular that we do contribute to sustainability and the environment. For that, the amount of money we spend on R&D has been very good for the last 15-20 years. We have got one of the best R&D facilities in India, and a lot of work has been done. Recently, our focus has been on sustainability. You must be aware that laundry is one of the industry which consumes the maximum water. So, if you are able to reduce the water by 50%, then we will be doing a big service to the global scenario. So we tied up with a company, a technology company called as Xerox, UK-based company, and with this we are able to save water by 50%, power by 50%, and indirectly the consumption of detergents also come down by 50%. This new technology is not only talking about the savings in the utilities, but it is also talking about the improvement in the fabric care. The life of the garments increases by around 30 to 40%, which is a huge saving to the entire environment, because the amount of water spent on producing or manufacturing new garments is very high. So our efforts on this has been there, and we have already launched this product, this technology in commercial laundry, and our efforts, IFB efforts for bringing it in domestic also is there. And by the end of this year, we will be coming out with this technology in our domestic machines also.
Great, that's great news. At the same time, I would like to ask you this question, that we are talking about sustainability, net zero. For many people, it's like jargon. So how are you going to create that awareness in people that they need to, understand this concept, move towards it, because that is where the future lies?
Correct. So these technology is for the next generation. All of us are aware that there is going to be a big constraint of water availability. Now, for every 1 kg of clothes washed, you are consuming about 15 liters of water, 12 to 15 liters. But with this technology, it will come down to 6 to 7 liters. You are reducing it by 50%. Now, the other way how we will be contributing is disposal of the wastewater is a big concern. Like in US or in European countries, their major challenge is the disposal of the laundry water. Now, when the water level usage comes down, then automatically your discharge also comes down.
Right.
That is how we will be able to contribute to the environment. That is why we tell it is a sustainable technology which is for the next generation.
Correct. So I think implementing one process will have a chain
of reaction. It'll reduce the discharge. Once the discharge comes down, the load on the effluent treatment plant or the treatment plants will come down. There the power consumption will come down. So it will have a chain of reactions wherein you will be able to have a saving at each and every step or each and every process. That is how the chain reaction is going to have on the usage of water and its after effects of washing.
Great. Thank you so much. Before I have to ask that vital question, how has been your experience at Laundrex India Expo?
I think the experience has been very good. Serious customers coming in, serious footfalls. So everybody who is coming here is having a project in his mind, or he wants to learn something new. So it has been a wonderful experience, and thanks for all your efforts.
Thank you so much, Mr. Govindraj.
Thank you.
Pleasure meeting you.
Thank you.